Here is the Clivet air source heat pump programmer. When you first come across to use it, you'll see you can press all the buttons and nothing will work. If you hold down the unlock button, that will then allow you to press buttons on the display and to change settings. If you're going from winter into summer, you need to go onto the menu button, into operational mode, and then select which program you want. So if you want to do cooling, you need to go across onto cooling, press enter, and then you go back, and you're now in cooling mode. If you then want to turn that off, so you leave it in cooling mode, but you want to turn the unit off so it's not actually cooling your buffer tank down in your loft or basement, press the power button and that will turn that off, or you can then turn it back on again. Once leaving this alone, when you come back to it again, the unit will be locked off again, so you always need to hold down the lock button to unlock it. I'm just going to put this back into winter mode because they want heating. So let's enter into that one. Go back. It's now showing that it's going to heat the buffer tank up to 35 degrees. It's showing it's on and it will be calling for heat. So it's showing that it's calling for heat. And it's going to be 35 degrees. The 35 degrees shown there is not the room temperature of your building. It's how warm the buffer tank is going to actually get. So it's going to be how warm the water is in the buffer tank, which is then going to be delivered around your heating system. So 35 degrees is extremely efficient. If someone's installed it and it's not very efficient at all, you will need to increase that temperature to get the efficiency up, but that will then cost more money to run your air source heat pump. So the lower this number, the better it is. And that's that. Thank you.